In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a bank statement from the Wise app. If you've been using Wise for your financial transactions, downloading your bank statement regularly is a great way to keep track of your finances. So let's take a step-by-step look at how you can quickly access and download your statement with ease. First, you'll want to start by heading to the Wise website. Simply open your preferred internet browser and type in the Wise URL or search for Wise in your search engine, which should bring up their homepage. Once you're on the Wise website, you'll want to log into your account by entering your credentials. Now, once you've successfully logged into your account, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page. Here, you'll see your account name displayed. Give it a click. This action will prompt a drop-down menu that allows you to access various aspects of your account. This menu is your main navigational tool for accessing your personal options within the Wise app. After the drop-down menu appears, you'll need to click on Statements and Reports. This section of your account is where you can review and manage your financial statements, giving you a comprehensive overview of your financial transactions. Next up, you'll want to specify the period for which you want to download a statement. You can select a specific month or opt for a custom date range if you're interested in a more tailored period. This flexibility allows you to filter down to the exact transaction you'd like to review. Now it's time to choose the currency for your statement. For most users, selecting USD or your preferred currency should suffice. However, you may have multiple balances, so make sure you select the right one that corresponds with your needs. With your date range and currency selected, the next step is to choose your file format. Wise gives you a couple of options here, typically in CSV or PDF formats, depending on your preference. CSV files are great if you want to import the data into a spreadsheet, while PDFs are ideal if you just want a readable format that you can easily share. Finally, all that's left is to click Download. By clicking this button, your bank statement will be downloaded directly onto your device, allowing you to access or archive it as necessary. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're now able to download your bank statement from the Wise app quickly and efficiently. Regularly reviewing your bank statements is an excellent way to monitor your finances and ensure everything is in order. If you found this video helpful or have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.